this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and the other Houston chiropractor, Dr. Eric Johnson. And we are trading adjustments today. He adjusted me first, thank God, so I'm feeling all spunky now, so I'm going to adjust him now.
My turn.
So we're going to bring him over here on the manual spinal decompression device. Pin in his iliac crest. We got Tristan in here with us this week, and even though Tristan's not a chiropractor or licensed in here to adjust patients in the state of Texas, we're still going to teach him some things about biomechanics. The spine, when you're standing up vertical, is getting compressed on the y-axis. The y-axis goes straight down through the head, down like a plumb line to the floor if you were looking at it from a person standing up from the ceiling. So all we are doing with this manual spinal decompression, oh yeah, home run.
Thank you, Doc.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Reflexes.
he's still kicking too. Okay. Yes, sir. That's it. You know, chiropractors, a lot of chiropractors don't adjust on the y-axis, and I personally think it's one of the best adjustments ever. It's one that helps me the most. Did you want to do the knee chest, or you want to do this one?
I think the drop table will be
Okay.
okay for me today. Thank you, sir.
So you know, when you're treating your colleague's spine, you treat them the same as you would your own family or your patients, and do the same tests on them. You evaluate them, and find out where they're subluxated, and then you adjust those subluxations. He's got a little bit of a right SI subluxation going on right now. So adjust his right SI first, his left one now, and then the sacrum in the center, and then come straight P to A, which is posterior to anterior on the Z axis. This is all the way up to L3, L2. There we go, just a nice easy. And you notice the angles of my line of drive change the further I come up his spine. Like way down here, you can see it's inferior to superior, and then it gets straighter up through here, and then it almost gets to be superior to inferior in the upper thoracic spine. Now I do a P to A cervical adjustment as well to push the facets back into their better cervical curve, lordotic curve biomechanical position. Let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. And I use the zygomatic process up here, a lot of people call their cheeks, to bring the head back up over the thoracic spine posture. See his ears way back here over his shoulder now. Go ahead and put those arms down. And I adjust the AC joints. Slide down just a bit for me, please, sir. And the costosternal joints up front here. And then well, these are the costosternal joints. That was the sternoclavicular joint that I adjusted up higher. That's sternoclavicular. These are costosternal. There, okay. And then I always like this decompression from the lower end. You notice Dr. Johnson did mine from my ankle, which is great because he gets the ankle, the knee, and the hip and the low back all at the same time. A lot of times, there we go. Good. Yep. Let's sit you up, face that way now. You need me doing muscle work on you?
I think muscles are okay. Thank you. So I moved my computer this morning, YouTube, and I tweaked my back when I did it. And me, kind of like Doc, both of us needed an adjustment today.
Yeah.
But this protocol works very well, getting the compression of the discs open. The facet joints feel always wonderful to get the kinks out of them. And we're here to help.
Yep. It's what we do every day, all day, huh?
Absolutely.
Except Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Okay, let's
Days
go on
off.
this way. Okie dokie.
That feels better up
Yep, that looks it better already too. Just a tiny little tap right there. There, okay, relax. Don't swivel.
Feels good.
Look good.
All right.
Looking good.
So YouTube, nice to see you all again. Dr. Eric Juntonen, Dr. Gregory Johnson from Advanced Chiropractic in Houston, Texas.
We'll see y'all soon.
See you next time.